Today's video is going to be me going on a trip to Ikea to start shopping for university. I have bought a couple of bits so far. I will do a haul at a later point, but not in this video because I'm going to include like other shops in the haul because I've already bought some stuff at Poundland and Lidl. But yeah, come along with me on an Ikea trip.
Necessity. Wait. You could touch. Oh wow. I know that. No. Oh, to be fair, it does look quite real. Quite an ugly snake. The green aesthetic's quite nice. I like it. Yeah. She just switched to the extractor fan. How am I doing wrong? I really want to bring loads of boxes and stuff, but I'm waiting until I see my room because I don't know what things I'll need. So good, sorry, we're already done here. It was literally so good because the lady on the till, she couldn't buy my sister's chicken nuggets. And I like helped her buy them because I've like worked on the till before and I know like it's stressful if you not find something. And so she gave us our drinks for free. So my sister got lemonade. Well, raspberry lemonade. And I got the lingonberry with lemonade. Because I tried the lingonberry and it was really nice. It just tastes like cranberry juice, so it's just so nice though. We're gonna have to get loads of pots because I literally can't find anywhere else. Mine now. Because this is literally a need. Oh my god, it's so small. I can make mini pancakes. I'm gonna Wait, is that the same one? We have a little one there. I don't think it's the same one. Where's the really little one? Fia, where are you? I can't find the little one. No, I can't find it. We can't work out which pans are going to have good surfaces that aren't going to get destroyed, so I don't even know if we're buying pans from here. Got barely any time left. Oh, I pick up all the stuff in the shop. We bought a plant. We've literally got so much stuff. I'll do a massive haul when I get home.
Plant's mine.
Yeah, but the plant's not mine.
and so much like breakable stuff. Probably left it there, I don't know.
That's in number 2. Okay, we know some people that.
Okay, and also we're so bad at driving the trolleys. Like.
End of the shopping trip. I will do a haul of everything that I got. That'll be with my whole university haul. This video is definitely very chaotic and like not much speaking. It's just gonna be random shots of Ikea, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I thought I might as well post it because it's not anything like it's just Ikea trips are just nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.